Hello, my name's David and I'm the musical director for The Wizard of Oz this year. I'm so excited to be working with this cast, and especially I've been to Aberystwyth before and got James, amazing choreographer, and Richard I've known and worked with for many years, so it's really exciting to be back here. My biggest influence, I think, was, I was a huge fan of the film, but it's interesting, having watched Wicked and also seen the new orchestrations and listening to what's woven inside the music of this score, it's incredible. There's bits of pre-Leonard Bernstein, all kinds of stuff in the score of the music. It's amazing, and it's been very inspiring to kind of delve into that. We're trying to take a modern approach to it, as well as being honourable to the score and to the piece itself. So we're trying to rediscover it and rediscover its darkness and its magic, and try and find our own way into that magic, which is what we're really doing. I did it first of all when I was very young with Buster Merrifield. He was the guy from Only Fools and Horses, granddad. Oh no, uncle. We've had to look at the score and get it, because we haven't got a 20-piece orchestra, and make it work for a small band, and also not such a small company. So we've got fantastic vocals in the community group, and also the children are fantastic. But it is challenging to put it all together. It's quite, although it's a small production in the sense of it's intimate, because the Arts Centre is quite an intimate stage, it's still a massive score to pull off as well. My favourite musical moment? Oh gosh. I think I love Munchkinland. I love the kids are fantastic in that, and possibly I've just been working on Jitterbug, which is a great swing number, so I'm enjoying doing that. Camp and beautiful.